Let's make some street corn chicken pull-aparts so easy that the kids could help you make it. All right, we're gonna start by dumping in a packet of cream cheese and about a can of corn. And then I've got some rotisserie chicken here that we've diced up. And we've got several spices here, including some cumin, some chili pepper, some paprika, salt and pepper. We're just gonna mix that up real good. Have the kids help you mix this up. It can get kind of tough if you don't have that cream cheese softened. Then we're gonna add in some shredded cheese, maybe about a cup of shredded cheese, and then the squeeze of about half a lime for some lime juice, just to add a little bit of zing. Keep mixing that up until it's nicely mixed together. Then we're gonna take some burrito-sized tortillas, throw them down. We're gonna fill these things literally with all this chicken mixture. The hard part here is getting it mixed around. You may have to help the kids out with this part because it does want to clump together. It actually is much easier to do with your hands than it is with the spoon here, but I didn't want to get these kids' dirty little kid hands into food, so we use the spoon for this. But you're gonna get it all spread around. You want it kind of a nice thin layer, and then you're just gonna roll that burrito shell up, just like that, and then you're gonna cut this into 4 equal-sized pieces. Make sure that you spread that mixture edge to edge so that you have that mixture throughout. Then we're gonna fill up a springform pan with all of these roll-ups that we've made. It took about 5 roll-ups to make all of this. Add some extra shredded cheese to the top. We got our pizza oven preheating. We're just gonna throw this pan directly into that pizza oven once it gets nice and warm. You don't want it too hot because we're not trying to bake this. This is fully cooked already. We're just wanting to warm it through, melt that cheese, get a little bit of a crust on top of that cheese. There we are, look at that. See the brown crust on top of that cheese, looks just right. And then once we pull it out, let it cool for a little bit, but not too long because you still want that cheese to be gooey. And we're gonna pop open that springform pan, being really careful because it will be very hot. And then you just serve it just like that. This is a pull apart so that you could just pull it apart and you can see that cheese pull there. And you can see all that gooey, creamy cream cheese inside with all that chicken and that street corn flavor. These were so good, so easy. Kids had a blast making them. Kids enjoyed eating them. I'd like to see you guys make them too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.